Pedro's on the left, south of the border. South of the border, second right. I'll probably stop there on the way back in March and take a look around. Get close, get close. Alright, where is it? Boy, Pedro's is right on the line. Well, I don't see a sign saying welcome to South Carolina. There it is. Right over there. And there's Pedro's. South of the border. Like I say, I'm going to be back up through here in March. Welcome to Atlanta. Could be New York, could be Houston, but this one's Atlanta. And of course, we've got rubberneckers. We've got people zipping in and out, causing minor fender benders. I was hoping to get here before the rush hour, but didn't make it, I guess. Oh well. I'm getting great gas mileage. I guess this is the tie-up up here. Not sure what it is, but we'll see in a few minutes, I guess. Well, it might take a few more minutes than a few. This snail's pace. We got blue lights on the left. We got all kinds of flashing yellow and red on the right. It says slow down or something. I can't read it quite yet. Whatever SCJ is, it's down. So don't know what's going on. Looks like an emergency vehicle, I guess. Remember, we're in Georgia, so everything's different in every state. Emergency vehicle wise. I don't know what happened to the blue lights. It must be behind this bus. Oh, they're over there somewhere. Let's see if you can see them. I see a cop over there. I don't see what he's doing, but let's see if we can see. Nope, I don't know where he is. Oh well. This view is much better anyway. Amazes me. That's why I don't like living in big cities. This is ridiculous. It'll take you an hour and a half to get through town. Alright, that's enough of this. I've got to get over. I got 1.25 miles to get over. So we'll see if I can make it. Well, when you're on the road, things happen. And as you can see, I'm having a little work done to the front end. Came into Atlanta last night and the right front brake started grinding. Couldn't figure out why. This morning it it wasn't grinding. So we're over here getting it looked at. Come to find out the bolts were loose. Plus it was rusty. When they put the brakes on, they didn't clean it up. You know? So that's what happens when you're on the road. So we'll be out of here in probably another half hour, 45 minutes. It's no biggie, just part of the road. As you can see, this is one busy place. Here I am, amongst all the other spots. Oh, there's J-Dub. She brought me over here. She knew of this place. So, getting it fixed. We'll be back on the road in no time.